Hello and welcome back to another Shopify tutorial. In this video I will show you how to customize this Powered by Shopify to look like this and say whatever you want it to and link it to whatever page. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to another Shopify tutorial. Today we're going to be doing another customization on the Powered by link. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about right now. So as you can see here, it says Powered by Shopify. So I had a few requests asking about different themes and different ways of customizing this. A few people had problems with the HTML editing, and one of the members on the Shopify community blog wrote a great example. His name is Eric C. Strand. So if you guys want to look him up, it's at Eric_C. I'm going to be copying his code and putting it into the video, and you guys can take a look here how we're going to go about it. Alright, so we are in the themes page here, and we're going to go ahead and look for the theme Minamal. Alright, so we're going to add this theme to our library, and I'm going to fast forward a bit here, and we are going to publish this theme. We're going to go right at the top here, and we're going to edit the code. We are going to look for our footer.liquid, as you guys can see here. Alright, and the way we're going to do it this time is we're going to add some code at the top of this line here. And what we're going to be adding is the following. We're going to copy this, and we're going to paste it here. Here is where you're going to put in your link. So I will be adding my link here. Alright. And then I'm going to be labeling this whatever I want. So I'm going to put tech store video page. Save. You can put theoretically whatever you want into this. Let's just take a quick look here and see what we've done so far with our link. And as you guys can see at the bottom, it says our title, and it takes me to the YouTube channel, which is what I linked to. And we had a few people with some problems with the private pages, so let's take a quick look and see if that helped with the private pages. I'm using Locksmith to lock my pages here, so not to page up. Alright, so I locked the page, and as you can see, the locked pages, you can still go to the link, whatever you hyperlink to, and if we continue, and you can see here, it's still there. Alright, and that's pretty much it for the video. If this helped you out, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the page. I will be posting regularly. Thanks, bye now.